Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting tool, AI tool, so which will be very helpful for our literature review, and it will be very helpful for us to explain your reference papers. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will useful for our research paper and academic writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are organizing an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that explain paper. So here this is the dashboard of this explain paper. So here you can upload your PDF, so you can drag and drop your PDF. So after that you can ask any questions you want related with the PDF you have uploaded. So here I have explored with some papers, so I will show you one by one. So first I am going to open this paper, a new approach. So it will take several seconds to open. Yes, so our paper is open here. So here you can see this is the title of the paper, a new approach for dynamic fuzzy logic parameter tuning in ant colony optimization and its application in fuzzy control of mobile robot. So here this paper will be shown here. So you will be having three different options. So paper and then explain and then chat. There are three different options will be present here. So here in this paper, so you will be given with some abstract here. So the abstract of the paper will be given here. So after that you will be having an option called explain. So you just give explain. So highlight the highlight text to have our AI explain it. For example, so if you want to need the explanation of the table, so the explanation of a particular content, so you can select that particular content. So automatically the content you have selected will be explained. So after selecting this content, so you can just give an option called explain. So automatically it will take several seconds and it will give the explanation of the content you have selected for. So here you can see that the explanation is generated here. So in this context of ant colony optimization algorithm, the phrase refers to method for determining how likely it is for an ant to choose to solve a problem. So like the traveling salesman problem. So this likelihood is influenced by two main factors: pheromone level, which reflects the experience of previous ants, and heuristic factors, which assesses how good the choice is based on the objective of finding the shortest route. So like that, so here you can see that the explanation of the particular sentence we have selected is generated. So if you want to even ask more questions, so you can give an option called ask to follow up. So here you can ask whatever the questions you want related with that explanation. So if you are not satisfied with the explanation, so you can ask any questions you want. So for example, I am going to ask explain traveling salesman problem. So like that you can give that is ask questions. So automatically the questions will be, that is the answer for the questions will be generated here. So the traveling salesman problem is a classic optimization problem in which the goal is to find the shortest possible route that allows a salesman to visit each city. So like that it will explain, give an explanation of the thing we have asked for. So like that it will give this explanation. So you can make use of this option like this in this explain. So the next important option called chat. So here you can see these are the different possible questions can be asked in this chat. Summarize the findings. Why is this paper important? What is the critique of this paper? What are some similar papers? So these are the possible questions. So here you have to go for upgrade option to ask these questions. So other than that, so you can in this explain section, so you can chat with this paper, so you can ask any questions you want. So if you want to automate all this, so you have to go for upgrade option. So this is about explain paper. So you can open paper and then upload your paper and then you can chat with your paper, and then important thing is that so you can make a better literature review using this option, that is option in this explain paper. paper. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing very easy and simple. So as far as this plans and pricing is concerned, in this explain paper, so you will be having unlimited highlight explanation, so you can highlight that particular part in the research paper you have uploaded, and you can get explanation and ask follow-up questions powered by ChatGPT. So you can get this for free. So if you want to have the option called chat, so you can generate summaries of any upload, select all your highlights and explanations, next search through papers, everything is free. So for this subscription option, so you can access all the options for free. So if you are interested in this explain paper, so you can go on and explore with your reference papers and check it out whether it is generating a perfect explanations or not. So this is all about this explain paper. Hope you can get an idea about how to use this explain paper for your research paper writing. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.